is nakasama po natin dito sa activities po. You know why? The essence of this first Room Show is to open the mind, particularly these students. And also, I would like to acknowledge the students here from different schools in this one of the momentous and historic event of BFP. Alam po natin na this project was conceptualized sometimes 1990, something around 1990s. Because before, ang ginagawa po ng Bureau of Fire Protection is that pupunta lang po kami sa mga schools, sa mga barangays, to conduct fire prevention awareness program. But now, we have to do this first road show to open the mind of our students, particularly on the basic life support, in case of fire emergency, how to conduct exit drill in your respective homes. That's very important. So, these students, sabi na ko you have to internalize what will happen in this whole day activity. And alam naman natin lahat na incident happens anytime. It is just like a thief in the night. So dapat we have to aware what is happening right now. We have to think what are the precautionary measures to do in case of emergencies. We know the fact, alam natin, na recently, yung Taiwan ay nagkaroon ng earthquake. Ilang 7 point, sinabi ko na. Ilang magnitude ba yun, students? 7.2 magnitude. And there's a lot of injured people, casualties in that incident. But we have to prepare ourselves. We have to put into our mind in case na may mga ganong instances, we have to do our duties, we have to prepare ourselves on safety, fire prevention, sa ating mga kapaligiran and other premises, particularly sa schools natin. With that, students, hi! Hi! Hello! Kasi po tawag to, you have to be attentive because it's very important. Also, sino ang willing maging firefighter someday in the BFP? Taas kamay! Ay, ayaw niyo mag-Bureau Bureau of Fire Protection? Maglaki ng sweldo namin. 37,000 naman. Anyway, lahat naman ng agencies ay maganda, particular sa PNP, sa BGMP. If you want to join the health sector, the Department of Health, kasama po yan. So with that, nalaingin nyo there's rappelling here, the smokehouse, the stop, drop, and roll, how to use the fire extinguishers, the BLS, the bandaging, and also the lectures from the PNP. Probably it's more on drugs. The BJMP, yung mga gustong magpakulong at yung ayaw gustong magpakulong ng BJMP. And also sa Department of Health pertaining to health issues natin. So with this, agyaman at launay, we're hoping the mall goers could it's an open open po ito. Huwag po kayong maya na lumapit or to join this activity. Open po ito sa public. Salamat at mabuhay po tayo lahat.